Cadence, how did you get all the way over there? You trying to roll over? Are you trying? You trying to roll over? You might have to take your hands out. You might have to. You don't think so? Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You swing that leg over. Swing that chubby leg over. Come on. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, you're trying. You're trying. Oh. Did you roll backwards? We'll try again later. You want to try again later? Oh, oh, that's better. That's better, Peanut. Keep going. Keep going.